Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In here, I will present the result of my article entitled The Effect of Macromedia Flash Animation on Blood Circulation Lesson with 21st Century Learning Skill. Before entering the discussion, let me introduce myself. My name is Niken Putri Karindani from the Science Education of the State University of Semarang. The first in the introduction in natural science is closely related to the discussion of event and fact in nature. So many things are learned, not just concept. So it is important for teacher and student in particular to understand the integration of science and technology as a form of adaptation in the 21st century with the intention of being able to think critically, logically, creatively, and of course can be applied in life. By Anonymous 2006. One of the material in science learning that has important role in the development of science and technology, this is a circulation system material. Without the support of interactive technology in the 21st century, students will certainly find it difficult to understand and reason about the process that exists in the essential circulatory system because student understanding of this material is only 25% in a class. By Situmorang, 2019. Media is an important component to motivate and attract students to learn, one of which is with this Macromedia Flash by Sediman 2010. Flash animation is a software capable of designing computer-based interactive two-dimensional animation with many features. So, we'll build 21st century skill which have character include technology integration and critical thinking skill. In this article, using several methods include the method used is stroke literature review. This type of research is library research using statistical data, scientific journal, and previous research. Analysis data from saying and the opinion of the other research theory. Before moving on the discussion, there are several steps in this idea. Analyzing student understand problem in learning circulatory material. Analyzing the advantages and role of macromedia flash. Analyzing the skill from macromedia flash based learning, and finally is conclusion. From the background and the method used, the capture discuss about the result. Many problems have been found in the science learning process. Their enthusiasm, attitude, learning outcome, and student achievement. According to Situmorang 2019 research, that there is a different score in blood circulation lesson if using animation media. From class that use animation media and the class not use this media, the result is student understanding skill is better. Animation media can provide students with a concrete experience. According to Rusman 2011, through animation media, students will be exposed to various kinds of simulation contain interesting circulatory system content with integration of audio, visual, shape, color, which can improve student understanding of the material. Animation media is able to interpret abstract concept into real concept. We know that, for example, the process and difference between large blood circulation and small blood circulation. And we can display media that help representative the role of the object in science, especially circulatory system material. The material is presented with attractive illustration of audio-visual integration. The purpose is delivered of concept and principle of the circulatory system, and which has been supported by editing feature that can help the maker to create a product. Flash animation media can improve cognitive skill, motivation, and critical thinking in dealing with problem blood circulation. Because flash animation media can provide good visualization and elimination its abstract nature. The appeal of this media builds curiosity and memory in student blood circulation lesson. Because from an interesting and good visualization, it will also improve student memory. So in the 21 century skill that students must have their way of working, tool for working, and skill for living. The first one is way of think. The way students think and their ability to solve problems in learning is certainly important for the future. And the second, way of working. Collaboration and communication skills of students when learning in class are also important to build. They will certainly find a lot of discussion. And then next, tools for working. Student mastery of a tool that help them in learning is very relevant to do with the circulatory system material. So students are not only able to learn in conventional ways such as a PowerPoint and books, but with this animation medium. And finally is skill for living. When they are introduced from school to their learning model that follow the 21st century, surely students will also apply it when they entering professional life. So this is the multimedia with technological development can help more than just basic skills such as only understanding and memorize the material. The relationship between the use of flash animation media with 21st century skill is the integration of technology and collaborative learning. So, by using flash animation media, the characters that are formed, for example, curiosity and social cooperative, and student to also respect attitude. So, from the result of the theoretical study on this idea, it can be concluded that flash animation media is used in the blood circulation learning process. It will help students to understand the material. And the flash animation media used in science learning is in accordance with the demands of 21st century skill, namely technology integration and creating critical thinking skill about problem from the circulatory system material. And finally, there are reference that use the first by Anonymous 2006, Sadiman 2010, and Situmorang and Andayani 2019. Well, that's the presentation of result of the literature review of my idea entitled The Effect of Macromedia Flash Animation on Blood Circulation Lesson to Build 21 Century Learning Skills. So, thank you very much and sorry if I made a mistake and hopeful being benefit to all participants. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.